Welcome to this video lecture on the subject electronic circuits. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about RF applications. So what is the need for power amplifiers in RF applications? So the power amplifiers are needed to boost the signal level in the radio transmitters, television transmitters, wireless communication systems, radar systems and satellite communication. So in the radio transmitters, we need power amplifiers to boost the low level radio frequency signals from the oscillators or modulators. So it is to be converted to high power level like AM, FM radio broadcasting stations, the input signal to be amplified. So it consists of audio amplifier and power amplifiers. So the amplified signal is given to the last section of the transmitter. So it also consists of oscillator to generate the high frequency signal and it is transmitted using the antenna. Next is the television transmitter. So in this, power amplifiers are used to amplify the video and audio carrier signals before transmission. So it is used to ensure the adequate signal strength. So to obtain the clear TV reception over wide areas. So at the transmitter section, we consist of audio amplifiers and it is given to the transmitting tower. So before that it is processed using the video amplifier. So these are the various applications in television transmitters. Next is wireless communication. So it provides high efficient signal transmission at the RF and microwave frequencies. So these are all high frequency signals used in Wi-Fi, cellular base stations, mobile phones and Wi-Fi routers, etc. So the input signal is mixed with the local oscillator carrier frequency and it is given to the driver circuit and power amplifiers. So it boosts the signal level before giving the signal to the antenna. So that it is applied in various radar systems, Wi-Fi and satellite, etc. And next is radar system. So in this, power amplifiers used to amplify the pulsed RF signals used in radar transmitters. Since it requires high peak power and short pulse duration in order to detect the distant object accurately. So target detection is achieved by using the high peak power. So the signal should be amplified before transmitting. So at the transmitter section, it consists of waveform generator and pulse modulator and power amplifier. So the amplified signal is given to the duplexer for the transmission. So duplexer acts as both transmitter and receiver. And also at the receiver section, it consists of low noise RF amplifier. It is used to remove the noise signal and this signal is mixed with the local oscillator signal, which is the carrier frequency, and it is to be amplified by the IF amplifier, and video amplifier is also used. And in satellite communication, power amplifiers are used in the uplink transmitter section to send the strong RF signals to satellites. So at the uplink transmitter section, the signal is to be amplified. So the RF signal is amplified before transmitting. So it must maintain linearity and high efficiency to avoid the signal distortion. And RF signal jammers and test equipment. So the amplifiers are used to amplify the signals. So they are utilized in controlled environments for testing RF components and blocking signals. So these are used in defense and research applications. And in medical electronics, these amplifiers are used in ultrasound scanners and other medical imaging devices for signal amplification so that the signal is amplified for processing of the medical electronic assessment questions. A power amplifier's main role in transmitter is to modulate the signal, amplify the data signal to level for efficient antenna transmission, convert analog to digital signals, filter out the noise. So the answer is B. Amplify the data signal to a level for effective antenna transmission. Which RF amplifier type is often used in mobile phones and Wi-Fi devices for its high power, efficiency and suitability for varying signal conditions? So the options: audio power amplifier, integrated power amplifier, klystron and tuned radio frequency amplifier. So the answer is option B. It consists of integrated power amplifier. Thank you for listening this lecture.